Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing channel. It's December, you guys, so of course it's Drinksember. On today's video, you guys, we are making a custom logo rug for the business Safi Carpets that does amazing laundry service on carpets, mats, rugs, and all things related to your floor. Okay, now how this partnership came to be, they offered me a tufting rug shaving machine in exchange for a custom logo rug of their business, their brand, and that is why I was able to do this video, guys. So shout out to them, and also get over their channel, all things related to cleaning carpets. All their handles is Safi Carpets in all platforms. Follow them, get to learn about them, clean your carpets from them. And guys, you know what, if you like this video so far, kindly like it, give it a thumbs up, tell a friend to tell a friend about my work, my carpets, my rugs. And you know what, also I have a YouTube channel, guys, so please be able to support me by going to my YouTube channel called Mswahili, or search Mswahili Carpets, and you know what, watch one or two of my videos. I have tufting videos, I have how to start a tufting business, I have vlogs there, I have so many things, me chilling with my friends, me cooking my struggle food. So guys, if you're interested in learning more about carpets, learning more about me, learning more about all things related to carpets cleaning, follow me, follow Safi Carpets, and tell a friend to tell a friend about us, and stand a chance to be our friend, because you know what, I'm that lovely. Thank you so much, guys. Also be able to leave a comment about your thoughts on what you think about this video. Do you think we should do more brand collaborations? If not, if more so, tell me. I need your opinion, guys. Now guys, I know you'll not believe this, but while doing this video, in the process of getting all my things and getting to tuft and produce this rug, I got scammed, you guys. I know you'll say maneno haya sio mageni mjini, labda kwa mgeni jijini, but it's not all the way got scammed. What happened is I gave my parcel, I paid for this parcel all the way at around 9 a.m. and I had told them how much I was in a hurry, but because I think what I did wrong is I had spoken in a very rude tone to the tout. Akachukua the whole day kuniletea mzigo wangu. I had paid for this parcel delivery at around 9 a.m. It arrived to me at 6 p.m. guys, which made things so frustrating. It frustrated me, and I'm the kind of person who I'll not contact my client to tell them yo, I'm a little bit fucked up right now. What I do is I just swallow it, find a solution, and then when I have a solution, I've made the solution, I've done it, I come back with the results. But my client was just no, for next time purposes, just tell someone, because people always end up assuming the worst. But that was the lesson while making this rug, and I think every rug always teaches you one thing or another, either about the skill or people handling situation or customer service. So like this video for more of such videos. Bye bye.